Where's the come here? Where's the Paul! What is this now? Paul! Paul, you're here!
Good morning.
Don't greet me! Paul, so you're here! You're not taking my calls! You're not taking my calls! Paul, what is this now? Paul, what have I done to wrong you? Eh? Why are you taking me for granted? I leave my cows with you and you give it to your boys to play with. Don't tell me to calm down! Don't tell me to calm down. You know the nature of my job. I don't stay here all the time. I travel all the time. Before I travel, these guys have issues. I leave them with you. I tell them, okay, these are the issues with the cars. I come back, the cars still have the same issue. Right now, the AC is not working. Don't ask. If you turn the hands of this steering right now, the shaft is making noise. Why? Why?
Hey, oh yeah, go, open the boot, open the bonnet.
Open with it. Come. Open. I don't like it. Don't come in your place.
Calm down. These boys, they learn and they must walk.
Oh, wait. So they are going to begin to your own apprentice was I here would use my job, my car to learn walk. No, Paul, did you just say that to me?
Calm down now.
No, I feel taken for granted now. Get a message.
My friend! Hey, go get me a seat. Okay. Feature the ocean of man. Quick, get me a seat.
If I don't give you work, I will handle
it myself.
I am your guy. I am your guy, but then you're going to call and see what you're doing.
Quick, give me his spanner.
Enter under this car. Come and see what the problem is.
Give me spanner. Quick. I will do it myself. I will handle it.
Come and enter under this car and do this thing now.
Come, give me, let me see. Bring this thing. Bring it. Give me that spanner, idiot! Give me the spanner! Bunyoche. Name that thing.
Even spanner now.
Go. Make sure I finish that. Quick! Go about being a okay. Shut up!
Please, I need water here. You people have cold water.
My friend, go and get in water. Give me water. No, I will pay. Don't, let please not pay. I'll pay. Quick. My friend, go to that car. Go and be doing that car. Also, maybe here.
This place can shout for Africa. It's always mad when his car start doing all these funny sounds.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? At your age, how many years have you spent here in this workshop? 3.5 years. Ordinary to tight farm belt. I'm going to ask you to tight farm belt. You can't tight it. Ordinary farm belt. See how friends used to get to play like a football. Shouting because of you.
See, let me tell you, the thunder that looks like this, your face fire you. I don't know how to do good job. Again, the prince should always bring his car for servicing because you know that he always travels abroad. But which kind of nonsense is this? He needs to bring it for servicing so that he will service it before he travels. And I said, it's not my fault though. It is not my fault. I'm a professional mechanic. I know what I do. And I said,
professional mechanic.
I'm not fearing this.
Fair.
That's true. That's very good. The prince should not expect the car to be that sound. At least he normally travel out of the country 3 to 4 months before bringing the car. So the prince should be calming down.
Since I know you, this is the first time you're making sense. What are you talking? Can you leave this masquerade? Every time, flock on. See, let me, there's no difference between your face and this engine. Just look at it, you will see the comparison. See, as far as I know, this prince is not a bad person. When he comes down now, we'll still joke. We know I'm a Kaisha man now. We know how we do things. If not, if another person that is shorter than me like that, you see what I would have done. If not that we are friends, I would have reacted in a manner that people would be watching me. That's why you're laughing like a wolf.
Paul, they call you Paul. I don't know that your brain is Paul. Everything about you. Bro, nothing. You're a non-entity. Look at you. You say you will do what?
I will fight the prince.
You will fight the prince.
I will fight, not prince.
Imagine you. See, if prince do anyhow, not only to pick his call and call. Bam! Who is here? Come here.
The guards.
The guards will storm here. Come. And when they landed, no.
You are too afraid. Even though your face is enough intimidation.
Forget about that thing. Forget about that thing. You see how he just puts it as if he can slap a prince.
See,
I'll give him Superman. Forget about the thing.
What you are doing here is threatening my hand. You
know
what I'm talking about.
Now, I can't come around.
How you my call? Or I phone na phone?
Choma, how are you?
Fine.
Aha, Sisi. Sisi the sharp.
Oh,
Which one? Now, right.
my heart is filled with joy.
Wait.
It's your own. That one is your own. Rice and beans.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Take your food.
Buy your steak.
Why you?
Take your water.
Atoma. Siso.
Laughter will not cease from my face.
You did not pay me the last
I will
food.
pay.
Hey.
Don't tell me stories when I come.
No problem. Thank you.
Atayama.
You came, see, let me tell him to give me my money.
This boy, this is how
He
he
does not
behaves.
used to pay.
I will pay. Every time I will pay. It has turned to your slogan. I will pay.
The last food I sold to Ikem, he has not paid me for it. And my mother is disturbing me for the money.
But Ikem is your friend.
It's not about friendship. Oh. This one is my mother's money. There's no friendship there. Because if he does not pay me for this one and that one, I will not give him food again.
You die of hunger.
Let him die now.
Is he not your friend?
He's
Is he
not
not
my
your friend
friend.
again?
He's not my friend. He should pay.
Both of you, anytime you come to this shop, you see and Ikem home.
Oga tell him to pay me.
Don't worry, I'll tell him to pay you. Don't
Thank
worry.
you, sir.
All right.
Again, I keep my money. I don't want story.
I beg you, I will pay. Let me not pay anything. I'm going to get my money. After this food is not coming out of your body because you don't pay for the food. Why would the food work?
My prince. Done. Yeah.
Okay. Tell your boys to close my bonnet.
Yeah, okay. The chair bonnet here. The chair bonnet motor the prince.
Drop your food here. Let me watch it over for you now. Why are you locking your food in with security inside the car?
Polo, who's the girl, the fair skinned girl that brought food?
What to eat? Yeah, girl.
Paul, I asked you a simple question. Give me answers. Who is the girl? Simple. And I want to eat. Who is she?
Her name is Choma. Her mother has a shop around the workshop.
Okay, but I saw her carrying food.
Yeah, now then they supply us food now.
No, wait a minute. What? Her mother owns a shop on this road, but she hawks the food.
Yes, her mother owns a shop.
Yes.
So what normally in the morning they will bring food, serve me, serve the boys, serve other workshop.
She does that.
Yeah, she does that.
In this time and age, where ladies are slaying on Instagram. Where ladies are slaying on social media. This one is different too.
She's an undergraduate.
And she's beautiful. Have you seen her?
No, but she's
I'm quite impressed at this time and age. It is rare. You'll agree with me.
very, very humble girl. No,
Our parents are lucky.
that's nice.
I like what I see. It is fine.
Mm.
Please call the boys for me. Call your boys for me. Let me take my leave.
Kenda! Kendi Shokubwa Julia!
Come.
Come, the prince is calling you. All of you.
Yeah. Come. Call your. You people keep delaying my car. I'll leave my car with your guy before I travel. I didn't come with a lot, but I believe that this will do. There you go. That's for you.
The prince.
What? There you go.
Prince, good morning. Hey! Good afternoon, sir.
It is fine.
Good afternoon, sir. Good
Prince,
night,
you
sir.
live longer. Hey! Prince, you live longer.
Thank you, sir.
Everything about you. May God bless your ancestors.
Get off.
Yes, if death is coming your way, let the death be affected to my own.
Touch my back. Touch my back.
Prince,
You're blessed.
I should go with you.
You can go.
Oh my God.
It is fine. It is fine.
I can pay my
Summer, where are you?
It's okay.
We can pay for the food though. Where is this girl that we
It's okay. Follow.
God, let's
I'll take my leave.
I will pay now. Don't worry. Long live the prince!
Thank you.
Long live the prince!
Thank you.
Long live the prince!
Thank you.
Long live the prince!
Um,
Long live the prince! Long live the prince! Come back.
it is fine. Thank you.
Hey!
You said the lady's name is
Hey!
Chioma.
This is the 10th time you're asking me about this name.
Paul, go and fix the car your face.
Hey!
10th time you're asking me about
I'm
this name.
just checking.
Okay.
Long live the prince! Prince, you got
Long live the prince!
Hey!
Long live the prince! Long live the prince! Hey!
Long live the prince!
Long live the prince!
Long live the prince!
Hey!
Come back to your work.
Come back here. Give me the money. Give me that money!
Okay, what money? Hey! Something has left me. Something has left me.
Hey! Walk! Please not take very well.
Okay, sir.
Look quick.
Hey! Something has left me. Where were we fighting? Okay.
Mom.
Obi, where have you been?
Brother.
You didn't even care to tell your elder brother or I before leaving.
Mother, you worry too much. Relax. I went to see Paul. Paul, the mechanic.
Okay.
I travel. Leave my cars behind for him to fix the issues with the car. I come back, the cars are still in a deplorable state. And I'm asking myself, but I gave you money to do this work. I feel that guy is taking my friendship for granted, honestly.
Obi, I've advised you several times to stop giving your cars to those boys. They are not serious-minded people.
Oh no, speaking of seriousness, I took care of that today. Everyone around the mechanic workshop, they know that I came there. Hey man, I can't see me. Now I gave it to him hot. I ensured that he fixed my car before he touched any other car. I don't understand it. Really.
It's okay. Go and freshen up. I'll ask one of the maiden to fix your food.
Mom, I'm fine. I had my bath before I went out. As for food, I'm not hungry. I'll eat when I feel like it. Okay?
Are you sure?
Oh yes, Mom. I'm sure. Once I'm hungry, I'll let the maids know. Brother, there is something that I'd like for us to talk about later. Is that okay?
It's okay. It's okay.
I'll let you know. Sorry. Mom!
Something? Am I not supposed to hear about that something?
Really? Really?
You.
Men's talk.
You and your brother. I must know about this something. All right.
Have you asked about this girl's family? Possibly so we could do our investigations and find out the kind of family she comes from. If you will remember, this is one thing Papa was shouting about when he was alive. That no man should marry a girl from a home he does not know the background, the foundation of the family. You see, it is very, very important a man marries from his community, especially marrying a girl with a good home training.
True, you have spoken the truth, actually. I'll do what you have just said. You know, do my checks with her, and if she checks our boxes, we move. I mean, it would be good to have someone take care of the house in town and, you know, make it a home, if you get what I mean.
You're correct. You're correct. Are you by any means telling me you want to settle down?
Brother, if I'm having this conversation with you, you should know that it's time. Huh?
Have you informed Mama about this?
Oh, not yet. First, I have to be sure.
You see, I've been tied down with this Igwe thing. I mean, I've not been able to go see my family. Today one meeting, tomorrow another meeting. I've just been choked, no time for myself. Obi, look at me.
Well, you know what they say now. Uneasy lies the head that is wearing the crown.
You're right.
You wear the crown.
You're right.
Where is Chioma? Chonwa. Please come, let's go. We are late already. Before other food sellers will sell to our customers. Baraka. Nebo. Chonwa. No, what is happening to you? What is it?
I'm not sure I'll go with you today. My menstrual flow started today and it's giving me serious cramps.
I'm sorry. Oh, you know? Sorry. Go and rest. You know? don't forget to take your pain drugs.
I will.
Enugo, go and rest. Eat food very well before taking it, you know?
I'll try.
It's okay. Alright, one. Alright.
All these boys, be careful.
Alright. Sorry, one. Please don't forget to give your father his food and drugs. Oh? No? Alright. Ngwano. Alright, Nne.
Welcome, sir.
My prince. Morning.
Hello. I greet you. How's
Who is there? Who is there? Bring Livinus, bring seat for the prince. Quick. Immediately.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sir.
My prince.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Hello, how is work?
I'm fine. How is the car? Hope it's stable now.
No, it's stable. The young lady, the one who brings food here.
Oh, Chioma.
The fair skinned one, yes, Choma.
Yeah, Chioma.
She's not around here today.
Is that why you came?
Polo. You can even attest to that yourself. She's a nice girl. I'm just asking after her. That's
well, they usually come in the morning, but I've not seen them. But once they come, once she comes with the mother, she must surely come here to ask us what we want to eat.
Oh, okay. So I take it that I showed up a bit too early.
Probably they should be on their way.
Okay. Well.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. I'm just talking about you now.
Hope I'm safe.
You are safe.
Okay.
Why are you coming late now these days now?
Nam, I'm very, very sorry. I woke up late and I have a little body ache. I'm sorry.
Sorry about that, madam. I hope you've taken something for it.
I have taken. Thank you very much. Dalo. Thank you. Food is ready.
Oh.
What do I offer you? What do I bring?
You give me rice.
But you told me. I'm sorry, madam. You told me about the other lady who brings you food. Or do you have other people? I'm confused.
This is the mother. Mama Choma. Mama Choma the hand. Choma's mother.
You don't say.
Choma's mother.
My goodness. We're just talking about your daughter.
Okay.
Yes.
I hope there's no problem.
Not at all. Actually, I'm very impressed, by her conduct. To find a young woman that beautiful and educated, helping you out, I was just blown away.
Yeah.
The last time I was here, I saw her. So I was just asking after her before you walked in.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Madam,
I'm sorry. I was also asking him why she's not here today.
Chioma is at home. She's a bit unwell.
Oh my goodness. Why? What?
Choma is sick.
Not all that serious. It's not serious. It's not something like that.
Yeah, but I think she should see the doctor now.
doctor.
Yeah.
It's not something she should see a doctor. Or just one carry your mom.
That is where we get it wrong. When someone is not feeling well, the right thing to do would be to see a doctor. You know, we do a lot of self-medication here. It's not safe. She should see the doctor.
But she's fine. She'll be fine. Yes. She'll be fine. I mean it. She'll be fine.
If you say so, then it's okay.
You're welcome. Thank you. Nah.
Much of my please, I need rice.
Okay. Rice and beans.
And I don't want porridge beans.
Okay.
And
with aquarano.
Aquarano.
I
don't want porridge beans. So.
Okay.
Please.
All right. I'm coming.
My please, what of you?
No, I'm okay. I'm fine.
All right.
I'm
coming.
I'll see you so.
All right. I'll bring food for you. I opened it. Really?
Oh, my dear. Mother. You're here? Yes, Mother. Please, can you help me tell one of the maidens to come?
They have to go to the market and get foodstuffs.
Okay. I'll just tell Oge to do that right away.
Why Oge? So if Oge is no longer in this palace, no one can go to the market?
Mom, I did not say so. Okay, fine. I'll do that myself.
Oh my word. What do you know how to buy?
My goodness. Mother, are you being serious right now?
Mm-hmm.
How can you say that a grown-ass woman like me does not know how to buy anything?
Well, you've not gone to the market before. And when you had the opportunity to do so, your late father never allowed you. Everything, virtually everything, was left for the maidens to do. So I'm sorry, I'm not trying to taunt you. Well, it's not late, you can still learn though.
It's fine, Mother. I've heard. I'll go with Oge and watch her buy the things. Besides, when I was in school, I was the one doing everything for myself. Yes. Okay, let me ask you a question. Am I not a good cook?
Well, I don't know what you were making in school. Maybe you were busy making noodles and chips. I am talking about food.
Mom is fine. I've heard you. I've heard. Okay, I'll go with Oge and watch her buy the things. Maybe I'll learn from there.
Okay, see what you'll do. Tell Oge that you people are going to the market and help her in making the list. Afterwards, you bring them in.
Now you're talking, Mother. Mother, but I can buy things. Please don't.
I know, you are the best, my dear. But please, help Oge do the list, then bring to me to see. Yes.
Guys, I am thinking of something. I don't know if any of you are on the same page with me.
Yeah, Ikem. Ikem, what is your problem? I've warned you about this grammar you are blowing in this shop. See, let me tell you, you are a mechanic. Every time you are blowing grammar, which one is same page? Are we reading book here?
Polycarpo. Holly? Look at you with this your python brain. With this half-coated brain.
Don't insult me. Don't insult me.
When will you try to graduate? Try to measure up with us? In fact, for your information, you need to be addressing us as engineers.
As engineer?
Yes.
See, let me tell you.
Somebody like me, you need to be addressing me as engineer. Living.
You will be engine. You will be engineer. You are an engine.
Engineers.
And me too.
Yes. Because we have upgraded now. But anyway, Ikem, what do you mean by that thing that you said?
My brother, there is this cloud of love flowing around this workshop. And both of you seem not to be seeing anything except me.
Ikem, you are blessed with stupidity. You idiot. What is your problem? I'm talking about the one you have blown already, the page you are giving us. You are still blowing another one. Do you want to burn something in my brain? Which one is cloud of love again? Who is loving who? Unashamed cloud of love.
Nah, it is rare. What you say is nothing but 100%. See, let me tell you. I equally saw what you say. Yes, the cloud of love is nothing but 100% undiluted one. Do you know what? The day Prince came here to repair his motor, he saw Choma. He picked interest on her. That is the day the cloud of love started. In fact, not only started, the cloud of love enveloped him. The cloud of love, in fact, swallowed him. As I'm talking to you, a prince is wallowing in the cloud of love. Everything about Prince is love, love, love.
There is a very big problem. So you have now turned into a literature professor. Eh? Toasting and swallowing himself in love. See, myself, I'll be busy working. You will just be looking about, looking for gossip. Because I did not even notice all these things you are saying. Nobody can notice it.
How can you notice?
Toasting and...
How can you notice it? Somebody like you do not care for it. Eh? You are blind physical. You are blind spiritual. You are blind. Every part of your body is blind. I'm caging yourself. You are suffering from astigmatism.
Leaving my brother.
Eh?
You seem to have an inner...
Can you hear now?
And I pray God should make this thing work.
It have already worked now.
We all love Shoma.
Uh-huh.
And if Shoma hooks up with the prince, that would be the greatest thing that will ever happen to her.
Somebody like me, I will become a millionaire now. Come on, I didn't Choma now.
See, stop speaking behind my head.
Guys, we have to go and finish the work before God comes. If not,
Igwe,
Good morning. How are you? I hope you're feeling much better now. Your mother told me that you're not feeling too well at all.
Yes, sir, it's nothing. I'm actually going to the chemist to get drugs.
Oh, okay. I can take you. Please, get in the car.
No need, sir. There's no need for that. The chemist is actually here. I'm almost there. But, sir, sorry, who are you?
Okay, my name is Obinna Chimdi, the son of late Igwe Chimdi. I saw you the other day at Polo's mechanics workshop. You remember you came there to harass the boys for giving them food and they had not paid you?
Yes, I did. You heard everything.
Yes, I heard everything. I hope you got your money.
Yes, sir.
Please, can I get your number? Please don't say no, please, Choma.
Okay.
So that I can call you sometime, huh?
080
Oh, Jen.
Yes, mother.
Are you saying that Obinna has not returned to this house?
I've not seen him, mother. I don't know. I don't know where he went to.
This boy will not kill me. Eh? For the past 4 hours, he has been telling me on phone that he's almost near. Almost near for the past 4 hours. Banyo dinu guajeleja. Let him return, oh, please. These are evil. I don't know what is keeping him.
Oh, he's back.
Oh. Mom. You look worried.
Of course I am.
Welcome.
Thank you. I'm sorry. I know I was gone for too long. I'm sorry. It was an impromptu meeting. I had to be there. It was crucial, by the way. I'm sorry.
Crucial, huh?
Yes, I didn't mean to have you panicked. I'm sorry.
Who do the one?
No, everything is fine, really.
We'll talk about that much later.
For some time now, you have been behaving strange in this palace.
Have I?
Yes.
Mother, can you just stop? He's not a kid. He's a grown-ass man. Let him be.
My friend, will you mute your mouth? You don't talk while I'm talking. Besides, the days are bad. Everyone should be careful. Obina is based abroad and he's just returned. They'll be thinking that he came back with all the dollars in the world. Nam, please. Don't keep late night.
It's fine, Mother. I understand your fears, but I'll be safe. Okay?
Mother, please, I want to correct something.
Which is?
I don't like the way you talk to me. I'm no longer a baby. Please.
If you're no longer a baby, then pack and leave.
Did you hear
Reasonable and responsible ladies, adults, female adults are all in their husband's house.
Mom, please. Hey, Jane.
Are you hungry?
Yes, Mother. Eventually I'll eat something, but please, take it easy on Jane.
Please let me dish your food.
I'm trying to get out of the palace.
My dear, let me go and dish your food.
Okay.
Shall we?
Yes, I'm right behind you. Yeah.
Find a man.
I'm here. Don't do that now. I am here. No one will get you out of this palace unduly. Okay? Relax. Breathe. One more time, baby.
Yeah,
why do I like this? You look quite resplendent.
Thank you. You too. You're not looking bad.
Thank you. You're smiling now. That's something. Let me see what Mom has got.
Okay.
Good. Yeah.
Chummy, please, let's go. Ah.
Mama. Daddy Mo. Please take care of yourself, oh? We'll be back in no time, you know?
Let's go.
Mama, you forgot to give me money for Papa's unripe plantain.
Oh, I almost forgot. Please, go to my handbag. Take 1,000. Buy that unripe plantain and Opaka also.
Okay, Mama.
Thank you, Nne.
Mama, go to call him up.
I will
Choma,
buy.
don't forget what I told you.
I will buy.
Mama, Nabi.
Oh, Nne. Can I help in? Okay, sorry, please. Oh yeah, push. Ciao, Memo. Ciao, Memo. Ciao.
Mother, please stop pesting Jane with this marriage thing. This is a new era. And not, a jet age. I know your time when you grew up that Papa was probably told about you by his relation before he came. Mama, like they say, if you can't take the time, you don't commit the crime. Allow Jane until she's ready to get married. And please, stop reminding her of her mates who have gotten married.
Bia, Chimde. Don't talk to me in that tone. Enolia, don't talk to me because of those beads and the cap you're wearing. Don't forget that my husband wore them years before I gave birth to you. What sort of talk is that? Why are you not seeing the truth? Is Jane not old enough to get married? So why are you not telling her the truth? Why? I'm not done. Kampuche, why are you both supporting her? So that she keeps seeing herself as a child in this house, isn't it? Okay, Lurogi Nudibo.
But I never said I'm not getting married. I will.
When?
Soon.
Mama. Do you know many of our mates are dead today?
Tell her.
Chimde.
Mama, do you also know a lot of our mates are still striving to survive?
Chimde.
Some are even married. No child. Mama Zukwani ke.
Anamezu.
Allow her. When it is time, it will happen naturally. African mothers are marriage.
Anamezu. She's not dead. And she's not struggling. She's done with school. Marriage is very important to all adults. Once a woman or a man gets of age, they should get married and become responsible so that the gods shall bless their union. I am not forcing her into any marriage. I am only telling her for her to bear in mind Noya and Meme. That's all. Obina. I have seen a beautiful girl for you to marry. Very tall, elegant, educated. Like. She's a wife material.
Are you for real?
Honestly.
Hi. Well, I hope that you have not told this your wife material anything.
Why do you ask?
Because I have found a wife for myself.
Why?
I have found myself a wife. Yeah, someone I like enough to make my wife. Mom, I want you to know that I'm going to get married. Jane will also get married. And she'll be fine.
Sure.
We're all going to be fine. I want you to know, Mom, that times are changing. The world has changed, as a matter of fact. We're evolving as a people every day. And things that applied in your generation cannot apply now. Look around you, Mom. Look around you. Eh? So please, we understand how you feel. Oh, yeah, we do. We understand your concerns. But if you trust us more and allow yourself breathe and watch things play out, I'm positive that you'll be happy at the end of the day. Relax. Yes, Mom, relax.
All right. I've heard you. So, when are you bringing her over? Where is she from? Who is her father? Hey, my friend, check and walk. Yeah, really, very important. At least I need to see her, know how she is, know her lineage. Mama Hana did the waka. Know her mother or her father. Mama Ndena no kwabedi. Mother. Do you know anything about tradition? Shut up.
You usually get like this. Calm down now.
My dear, when is she coming?
Okay. It is fine. I get it, Mom. It's okay. I'll do video call so that both of you can talk.
No.
No one here. No one here. I would want us to understand that Mama is not as exposed as we are. And as such, we should learn how to be taking things easy with her. All that concerns Mama is marriage and children. If you're not talking those two things, you're not making sense to her. Mama, with her whole standard and secondary education she attained, still believes that if a man or woman is old enough to get married and she or she is not married, the person is nothing in the society.
Exactly. Exactly.
At all. That's the mindset of the people in her generation. You won't blame her. That is what applied in her generation. That is why you find that a lot of people within Mama's age range constantly hound their kids, especially their daughters who are of age. Regardless of their academic pursuit and career pursuits, I want to become this, I want to accomplish that. No. How can you be chasing that? I dare one age 2 years.
Has 3 children.
Has 3 children. He's married and has 3 children. Do you know that my friend that we have a shop at the market square, that her daughter has 4 kids, and you say you're going for a master's degree? They refuse to understand that times have changed. Okay, but now we know that Mama gets that way. Jane, this is for you. I want you to, as much as we understand where you're coming from, you also need to do the needful. Okay? Be patient with Mama. I know she gets on your nerves sometimes. Be patient with her and apply tact. Okay? I know that you know what you're doing, but if you play it right, at the end of the day, we'll all be all right and happy.
You're very correct, Brother Obina. Like, I'm the one that sleeps and wakes up with Mama. She's always on my neck. Immediately she wakes up from sleep, she'll be like, Jane, when are you bringing a man to this house? Go and get a man for yourself. You need to get married. I'm like, Mama, calm down. I said, no, don't tell me to calm down. Oh my goodness, the pressure is just too much.
The pressure.
I
understand it.
Yeah, Jane, on a lighter note, Mama still has a point. Mama has a point. Marriage is very, very important in our lives. Very, very. In as much as we do not support Mama pestering you, it is still very pertinent. I would advise you to show us the man in your life. Kamadu Zukwani Ike.
It's all right. Okay. Your Highness, I have a boyfriend, no doubt. But he has not proposed to me. Am I the one that's supposed to propose to him?
Progeny. Hey. No. He has to propose first.
Exactly.
It is a man that proposes to a woman.
So, whenever he proposes, I will bring him to the palace. How about that?
Makes a lot of sense.
Aha, big bro. You said you have a babe. Tell us about her. Is she beautiful? I need to know, please.
Oh, what? Is the ball in my court now?
Yes, brother. I want to know the lady that has captured my cute brother's heart. Really?
That's what you want.
Aww.
She has an amiable personality. You see her, you just fall in love.
I can't wait.
Nemo, I met him on my way going to buy pain relief for my father. He said he's the late king's son. But I don't know him.
The late king's son?
Yeah.
The king has 2 sons. Yeah. The elderly one was crowned king last year. Maybe it's the second son that you met. Prince Obina. Yes.
Maybe.
Wait, Choma. Don't tell me you're already in love with him.
Did I mention love here? Biko. So because he's the king's son, I would now fall in love like that. Because Afumaka, nobody's in love with anybody. Can I get by another?
Wait. That guy is one of the most handsome guy in this local government. He's well read, based abroad. We know one thing about him. He doesn't even look at his father's wealth. And all the women in this village are soaked because of him.
Okay.
If you're sure it's Prince Obinna that stopped you on the way.
Like I said, he said his name is Obinna, the late king's son. That's what he told me.
Prince Obinna, late king's son.
That's the way he called his name, Prince
you
Obinna.
are lucky. You are one of the luckiest women on earth. If it is Prince Obinna you're talking about, though, wait. You have to start thanking God and start your fasting. If I start it now, because
on top what?
If it's Prince Obinna, that means he has marriage in mind. Yes, now.
Jide, your problem is always fast forwarding. Pico, calm down. Did I mention anything about marriage? So because the priest. Hold on. I can't see anything. This phone. Hello? Hello, good afternoon. Please, who is this? No, sorry, I can't see who is calling. My phone is bad. Please, who am I speaking with? Oh, Prince Obinna, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Hello, sir. And no, sir, I can't hear you, sir. Hello, sir. Prince Obinna. Sir? Hello? Hey. Sir, please, if you can hear me, my phone is very bad, but I'll fix it today. I'll call you back, sir. Yes, sir. Hello? Sir?
Hello? Yeah, can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Why did you cut it now?
I did not cut it. I said the thing cut off.
I wanted to greet him. Yes.
That's what?
It's not Prince Obinna that called you.
Njideka.
What will he name me? Chom, I don't like it though.
Because that's not my problem.
I don't like it. You have to repair this one.
Give me money to fix it.
I'll give you.
Big bro, what's the problem?
It's the young lady I told you about. She's saying she cannot hear me. It's always a problem trying to, to communicate with her.
Big bro, you said you saw her selling food for her poor mother in a mechanic workshop, right? And you didn't see her dirtiness, you didn't see her locality, you only saw her beauty and uniqueness. And you called Paul immediately to start investigation, which almost took you out of the palace the next morning.
That's correct.
Mother told you that she has found someone for you, and you bluntly told her that you've seen someone for yourself, which means you love this girl in question.
Okay, so what's your point?
Get her a new phone. Yes. Get her a cell phone and solve these problems once and for all.
You want me to get her a phone, huh?
Yes, big bro. Because right before me, I saw you struggling with your phone just to talk to the person you've chosen for yourself. Because she said her phone was bad and she must have gone to repair it. If it were to be other whack girls, they will start demanding for money because they have seen a money bag prince. But this girl, she didn't do it, which means she's different. I've not seen the girl in question, but for real, brother, I must say, I'm beginning to like her. So surprise her, get her a cell phone, please. And stop all this embarrassment. You're way bigger than this. What? I'm serious. Get her a cell phone, please. Come on, big friend. Stop looking at me like that. You should do the needful.
It's fine. By the way, Mom, I was going to ask you. Who made the meal?
The meal?
It was terrible. It was nothing to write home about.
Really?
Oh yes. It was terrible. You know, some of the spice was on. Look, it was. I don't know what to say.
I'm sorry about that.
It is terrible. And what is most appalling is that the maidens in charge of cooking, they're all grown ladies. Very soon they'll get married and go to start up their families. Is this the kind of meal they make for their husbands? It's not nice. Mom, please look into it.
Sure.
I
know.
There's no spice, no sadro kuna didn't. It's
I'm
really
sorry.
not nice.
I'm so sorry about
If you basically cut onions, I cut onions, so it's you have to talk to these girls.
I will.
You know I pay attention to food. I love food.
I know.
So when it's bad, I can tell.
Don't worry.
I'm a
I'm
very good cook.
I'm sorry.
It's just like giving my position, I cannot. Mom, let's leave it. Let me take care of a few things.
Okay.
I believe you can handle it.
Sure.